if we want to, we can leave your friends behind. Cause your friends don't dance, and if they don't dance, well, they're no friends of mine.
In this short video I will be explaining the features needed to connect a computer to a local network and allow it to access network resources. I will cover the parts/equipment needed and how to set up and allow the computer to access shared network drives and other resources. First of all, you will need a client. This is any PC, Mac or tablet with internet or network capability. Most modern PCs have an integrated Ethernet RJ45 port on the motherboard. However, some older PCs may require a network interface controller (NIC) to enable network access. Another component required to connect to the internet is the router. The router connects to the internet via axial cable and phone lines, which are rented from your internet service provider (ISP). There are two kinds of routers, wireless and wired. Wired routers are exclusively wired and operate usually over Ethernet cables. Wireless routers have both wireless and wired connectivity available, with wired connectivity being provided by Ethernet connections. Another component that is required is a network switch. A network switch routes information between clients on a local area network. It is more efficient than a hub as it only sends data to where it is supposed to be sent rather than to all clients on the network. A standard Cat5 Ethernet cable, used to connect various devices together in the network. 100 base T cables will be used. Also, there will be two kinds of Ethernet cable used, which are crossover and straight through.
Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the floor.
First of all, set up your client. Connect everything together, such as mouse, keyboard, monitor, along with any other peripherals, and if necessary install the operating system you will be using. Then connect all the clients via straight through Ethernet cable to the switch. Connect the clients to any Ethernet port on the switch. A specific port is not required. After this, you should connect the router to the switch using a crossover Ethernet cable to any available Ethernet port. Then connect the router to the WAN by ADSL cable. This plugs into a microfilter and then the phone socket.
See, we can go where we want to, places they will never find. And we can act like we come from out of this world, leave the real one far behind. We can dance.
First of all, go to the network icon on the taskbar and left-click on it. Then click on the link for the Network and Sharing Center. After this, click on the Change Adapter Settings on the left-hand side toolbar. This will then show all the available network connections. Right-click on the Local Area Network connection and left-click on Properties from the drop-down menu. This will then take you to the Local Area Network Properties menu. Locate the Internet Connection Protocol v4 from the menu, then left-click on it. This will then highlight it. With this highlighted, left-click on the Properties button. This will then allow you to set up a static IP for each client. Choose a different IP for each client. It is important that each IP in your network is unique. Generally 192.168.0.1 is the router's IP address, and in this kind of network will be the default gateway for all clients.